Solving an equation using the distributive property. Let's look at an equation that uses the distributive property. 4 times 2x minus 5 minus x plus 4 equals 3x plus 4, and use the distributive property to solve for x. I have a math video out on how to use the distributive property, which if you haven't seen it yet, I'm going to put up a link now. But for this video, we're just going to walk our way through the distributive property to solve for x. The first thing we do is multiply the factor 4 times 2x. 4 times 2x is 8x. Next, we distribute by multiplying 4 times negative 5, which is negative 20. Now we have a negative sign, which is really a minus 1 factor times x plus 4. So we're going to multiply minus 1 times x, which gives us minus x. And then we're going to use the minus 1 times positive 4, which gives us minus 4. And that equals 3x plus 4. Now we get to combine like terms. And I actually have a math video out on how to combine like terms, which if you haven't had a chance to see that, I'm going to put up a link to that video next. But for now, we're going to walk our way through combining like terms. We're going to look for the x's on one side of the equation. We have 8x, and we have a minus x, or a minus 1x. So we have 8 minus 1, which leaves 7x. Next, we look for our constant terms. We have a minus 20 and a minus 4. Minus 20 minus 4 is minus 24. And on the other side of the equation, we have 3x plus 4. Now we want to get our x's together on one side of the equal sign. So we're going to move the 3x over. And we're going to do that by subtracting 3x. And if we subtract 3x from one side of the equation, we have to subtract 3x from the other side of the equation to keep things equal. 7x minus 3x leaves 4x, and we have minus 24. And that equals, we have 4 left on this side of the equals. Now we want to get our constant terms together on the other side of the equal sign. So since we have a negative 24, to get it over, we want to add 24. And if we add 24 to one side of the equation, we want to add 24 to the other side to keep it equal. So we have 4x on one side of the equal sign, and 4 plus 24 is 28. Lastly, we want to divide by 4 to get x by itself. So we'll divide by 4 on one side of the equals, and if we divide through on one side, we have to divide through on the other side to keep things equal. So we have 4 divided by 4, which leaves x, and 28 divided by 4 leaves 7, x equals 7. That's how you use the distributive property to solve an equation for x. Please take a second, if you haven't already, and subscribe to the MathCat channel by clicking on the icon in the corner of the screen so that you'll know when new videos come out. Please add any comments or questions you have in the comment section and any topics you'd like to see covered. Please like this video, and thanks for watching.